Are you looking for innovative ways to generate a substantial income using cutting-edge technology? Look no further. In this digital age, opportunities abound, and one of the most lucrative avenues is creating and selling digital products. Today, we'll reveal 8 brilliant digital product ideas that you can effortlessly bring to life with the help of AI tools. The best part? These ideas have the potential to yield over $10,000 per month in earnings, and the majority of that revenue becomes pure profit. Not only that, but once set up, these products operate almost on autopilot, continuously generating income time and time again. Digital product number 1, printable coloring pages. Coloring pages are a fantastic digital product idea that appeals to both kids and adults, making them highly marketable on platforms like Etsy. Just take a look at shops like Relaxing Color, that offer animal coloring pages, mandala designs, and more. It's astonishing to discover that this shop has already made over $90,000 in revenue, with a monthly income exceeding $4,500. So, let's tap into the power of AI to create our own unique and captivating coloring pages in a matter of seconds. To get started, we turn to ChatGPT, an incredible AI program that engages in a conversation with you, offering detailed information based on your queries. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas on children's coloring pages, and voila! It provides a wealth of creative suggestions, from adorable animals to captivating cartoon characters. Remember to steer clear of copyright characters to avoid any legal issues. Now that we have some brilliant ideas, it's time to bring them to life using another AI gem called Midjourney. This AI program generates stunning images based on the prompts you provide. Simply head over to their Discord, type in your description, and within seconds, you'll be amazed by the beautifully detailed images it conjures up. You can even upscale the images or generate new ones with a click of a button. But wait, there's more. To make these coloring pages even more appealing to young artists, we'll create basic versions of the animal coloring pages. This way, children can fully immerse themselves in the creative process and add their own colorful touches to the designs. Digital product number 2, clip art packages. Clip art is a fantastic digital product idea that allows buyers to access a collection of graphics they can use in their personal projects. And the best part? It's incredibly lucrative. Now, let's dive into how we can harness the power of AI to join this thriving market. To create our own delightful clip art packages, we'll turn to Kiddle, a user-friendly graphic design software that incorporates AI technology. It's simple and efficient, making it a perfect choice for generating high-quality clip art in a matter of minutes. You can easily explore various clip art styles by using the Kiddle AI feature. Just select the kawaii icon, write out your prompt, and let the magic unfold. Now, if you're wondering how to compose your prompts effectively, Kiddle has got you covered. Click on Learn More, and they offer a prompt book with examples to guide you based on what you're creating. Under Clip Art Styles, remember that sometimes less is more. For instance, you can type in Apple, click Generate Image, and voila! You have an absolutely adorable Apple clip art ready to be included in your package. Once you have your delightful clip art collection ready, you can package them up and start selling them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. These graphics packages are versatile, appealing to crafters, digital artists, bloggers, and small business owners, making them a sought-after product that can continue generating passive income for you. Digital product number 3, digital paper and patterns. Digital paper and patterns are a hidden gem in the digital product world. There's a vast array of styles and designs being offered by successful shops, catering to both physical and digital use. Buyers can print out these eye-catching designs for scrapbooks, wrapping paper, cards, or use them digitally for wallpapers and backgrounds in their digital creations. The versatility of digital paper makes it a highly sought-after product in the market. Now, you might be wondering, how can we dive into this lucrative market and achieve similar success? The answer lies in the magic of Kiddle once again. With Kiddle's user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly filter pattern styles and create beautiful digital paper designs. Simply choose your desired style, and then craft a specific prompt to generate your one-of-a-kind designs. For example, if you're looking for a digital paper with florals featuring pink roses, white daisies, and green leaves on a light blue background. Just type it in, and voila! Kiddle instantly generates a visually stunning image that fits your description. But that's not all. Kiddle is all about creative exploration. Try generating the image again with a different prompt, and you might discover another design you love even more. Play around with various pattern styles like Baroque, cute, or wallpaper inspired to see what unique creations Kiddle has in store for you. Digital product number 4, checklists for success. If you're looking for a digital product idea that's guaranteed to perform well and boost your sales, look no further than checklists. Printable planners and checklists have a proven track record of success on platforms like Etsy, but the real key to making sales as a new seller lies in getting hyper-specific with your offerings. But how do you come up with the perfect checklist ideas that will attract customers and lead to sales? Well, that's where AI comes to the rescue. Using ChatGPT, you can effortlessly brainstorm and generate a plethora of creative checklist ideas. For instance, you might discover travel packing checklists, home cleaning checklists, event planning checklists, and more. To validate your ideas, you can use Etsy's keyword research tool to identify the ones with lower competition and higher sales potential. Suppose you decide to create a home cleaning checklist, a practical and highly sought-after product. ChatGPT will provide you with a comprehensive list of items to include in your checklist, saving you valuable time and effort. All you have to do is copy and paste the information into a graphic design tool like Canva to create an eye-catching and user-friendly checklist. Digital product number 5, stunning product mockups. If you want to offer digital products that truly stand out and catch the eyes of potential customers, consider diving into the world of product mockups. For many online sellers, displaying their digital or physical products in an eye-catching manner is essential for attracting buyers. However, not everyone is a skilled photographer or graphic designer. That's where you come in with your impeccable product mockups. The beauty of product mockups lies in their versatility. You can offer an array of mockups to cater to different needs. For example, frame mockups are perfect for shoppers looking to showcase their digital artwork elegantly. Additionally, you can offer mockups for various products like t-shirts, sweaters, mugs, tote bags, and more. With such a diverse range of products, your offerings will cater to a wide audience, ensuring a steady stream of potential customers. But how do you create these stunning product mockups with ease? The answer lies in Midjourney, an AI program that works like magic. With just a simple prompt, you can generate beautiful product mockups within seconds. For instance, if you type in, "picture frame mockup on white desk and white background," Midjourney will present you with a selection of visually captivating mockups, ready to dazzle your customers. Digital product number 6, captivating printable wall art. If you're a fan of wall art and have an eye for creativity, digital art is an enticing digital product to explore. Wall art, especially in printable form, is incredibly popular among shoppers on platforms like Etsy. Its versatility and appeal make it a highly sought-after product, making it a fantastic addition to your digital product offerings. To get started on your journey of creating breathtaking digital art, let's revisit Kiddle, the AI-powered graphic design software that makes the process effortless. With a wide range of image styles to choose from, you can cater to various tastes and preferences. For instance, if you're looking to create a landscape with green and blue trees, a river, mountains in the background, and a beautiful sunset, simply input your specific prompt into Kiddle, and within seconds, you'll be presented with a mesmerizing masterpiece. Digital product number 7, professional resume templates. When it comes to digital products, few can match the simplicity and effectiveness of resume templates. Offering professionally designed and customizable resume templates can be a game changer for both job seekers and your online business. This product is not only highly sought after, but it's also almost completely passive, allowing you to earn revenue with minimal effort once you set it up. To start your journey into creating impactful resume templates, let's tap into the power of AI once again. ChatGPT can provide you with essential guidance on what important sections to include in your templates. A well-structured resume can make all the difference, and with ChatGPT's insights, you'll have the information you need to offer templates that truly stand out. Once you have the necessary information, head over to Midjourney to explore different template ideas. With the right prompts, you can generate stunning and professional text-only resume templates that exude a sense of sophistication and competence. These templates, in their simplicity, can speak volumes about the professionalism of the job applicants who use them. Digital product number 8, comprehensive startup guides. Among the plethora of digital products, one that stands out for its incredible value and revenue potential is the Comprehensive Startup Guide. These guides offer a wealth of knowledge and guidance to aspiring entrepreneurs, helping them navigate the complexities of starting their own businesses or ventures. What's even more exciting is that you have the freedom to charge a premium for these valuable resources. Once again, we're going to harness the power of AI to outline and create these valuable resources. With ChatGPT, you can seek inspiration for startup guide ideas and even receive a professionally written introduction for your chosen topic. For instance, if you're knowledgeable about online course creation, ChatGPT can provide you with a compelling and detailed introduction that serves as an excellent starting point for your guide. To make your guide comprehensive and valuable, ChatGPT can also help you list essential items that should be included in your course creation guide. This comprehensive breakdown will serve as a guide within your guide, ensuring that you cover all the critical aspects and provide your buyers with a resource that leaves no stone unturned. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3-5 times per week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.